Good afternoon. Would you like to try a free sample of our new product today?
Oh, hello. A free sample? That is very nice of you. I am always a little bit hungry when I am grocery shopping.
I know the feeling. Seeing all the delicious food makes you want to snack. We are offering samples all day to introduce our customers to something new and exciting.
That is a great way to let people try things before they buy them. I am always a bit nervous to buy a new product if I don't know what it tastes like.
I completely understand. That is why we are here. We are very confident that you will love this product once you have tasted it.
It does smell very good. You have a little station set up here with crackers and a big bowl of something. It looks very professional.
We like to make it a nice experience for our shoppers. So, would you be interested in trying a little taste? There is no obligation to buy anything, of course.
Yes, I think I would like to try it. But before I do, could you please tell me what it is exactly that you are offering?
Of course. I would be happy to. Today, we are sampling our brand new Garden Delight creamy artichoke and spinach dip.
Artichoke and spinach dip. That sounds very interesting. I have had spinach dip before, but I have never tried one with artichokes in it.
It is a classic and very popular combination. The artichokes add a wonderful, slightly tangy flavor and a lovely texture to the dip. It is our company's newest product, and we are very proud of it.
It certainly sounds more exciting than a plain cheese dip. Is it a dip that you serve warm or cold?
You can actually serve it either way. Today, we are serving it cold, which is delicious and refreshing. But you can also heat it up in the oven for a warm, gooey treat.
That is good to know that it is so versatile. You said it has artichokes and spinach. What are the other main ingredients in the dip?
I can tell you all about our wonderful ingredients. The base of the dip is made from a blend of soft cream cheese and a little bit of mayonnaise, which makes it incredibly creamy.
Cream cheese and mayonnaise. So it is a very rich and savory dip.
It is. Then we fold in finely chopped artichoke hearts and fresh wilted spinach. We also add a little bit of Parmesan cheese for a salty, nutty flavor.
That sounds like a wonderful combination of flavors. Are there any spices in it?
Yes, the final touch is our special blend of herbs and spices. The main flavors you will taste are a little bit of garlic, a hint of onion powder, and a touch of black pepper to give it a little bit of warmth. We only use all natural ingredients.
It sounds delicious. And it is great that you use all natural ingredients. I have one more important question before I try it. I have some dietary restrictions.
That is a very important question to ask. I have a full list of all the ingredients and allergen information right here. What are your concerns?
First, I am a vegetarian. Does the dip contain any meat or fish products?
No, it is completely vegetarian. There is no meat, poultry, or fish in it at all. The ingredients are all vegetable or dairy-based.
That is wonderful news. My other question is about the crackers you are serving with it. I try to avoid gluten. Are the crackers gluten-free?
The standard crackers we are using today do contain gluten, I am afraid. But we are prepared for this question. I have a separate box of delicious, crispy, gluten-free rice crackers right here, especially for customers like you.
You have gluten-free crackers? That is so thoughtful and well prepared of you. Thank you so much. I would love to try the dip with one of those, please.
It is my pleasure. We want everyone to be able to try our product. Allow me to prepare a sample for you. I will just use a clean spoon to take a nice scoop of the dip.
It looks so creamy and delicious. I can see the little green flecks of spinach in it.
And now I will spread it nicely on top of one of these gluten-free rice crackers. There we go. A perfect little bite-sized sample for you to enjoy.
That looks perfect. Thank you. It is presented very nicely on the little napkin.
Please, take your time and enjoy the taste. I am very interested to hear what you think of it. So, what is the verdict? What do you think of our new artichoke and spinach dip?
That is really, really good. I am very impressed. The texture is the first thing I noticed. It is so incredibly smooth and creamy.
I am so glad you like the texture. We worked very hard to get that perfect velvety consistency.
And the flavor is wonderful. It is very savory and well balanced. You can really taste the spinach, but it is not too strong. And the artichoke gives it a lovely, subtle, tangy flavor at the end.
And what about the garlic and herbs? Are they too powerful?
Not at all. They are very delicate. They just add a nice layer of complexity to the overall taste. And the Parmesan cheese gives it a wonderful, salty finish. It is a very delicious and sophisticated dip.
I am so happy to hear such positive and detailed feedback. Thank you. It sounds like you are a real food lover.
I do love good food, and this dip is definitely good food. I am already thinking about how I could use it at home.
I can give you some great ideas. Of course, it is a fantastic dip for crackers, chips, and fresh vegetables. A platter of this dip with some carrot and celery sticks is a perfect healthy snack.
That is a great idea. It would be a good way to get my family to eat more vegetables.
But you can also be more creative with it. It makes a wonderful, creamy spread for sandwiches or wraps. It is much more interesting than just plain mayonnaise.
Using it as a sandwich spread is a brilliant idea. I could use it with some grilled chicken and lettuce.
You can also use it as a simple pasta sauce. You just heat the dip gently in a pan and then toss it with some freshly cooked pasta. It makes a delicious and easy dinner.
Using it as a pasta sauce? That is a game changer. I would never have thought of that. It is so much more than just a dip. You have convinced me. I definitely want to buy some.
I am delighted to hear that. I knew you would love it. You can find the tubs of dip in the refrigerated section, just around the corner in aisle 4.
Okay, thank you. Could you please tell me how much it costs?
Of course, one 250-gram tub of the Garden Delight dip costs $6.
$6. That is a very reasonable price, especially for a high-quality product with all natural ingredients.
It is. And because this is a new product, we have a special introductory offer on it this week to encourage people to try it.
A special offer? I am always interested in a good deal. What is the offer?
The special offer is a buy two, get one free deal. So if you buy 2 tubs of the dip, you will receive a third tub for absolutely free.
Buy two, get one free? That is a very generous offer. So I would get 3 tubs for the price of 2. That is a total of $12 for 3 tubs.
That is correct. It is a great way to stock up. You can keep them in your fridge for your next party or for those quick pasta dinners we talked about.
That is a very tempting deal. The dip is so versatile that I am sure I would use all 3 tubs. I can have one this week and save the other 2 for later.
It has a good shelf life, so it will stay fresh in your fridge for a few weeks.
You know what? I am going to do it. The offer is too good to resist. I will take 3 tubs. It is always nice to get a little something for free.
That is a wonderful decision. I am sure you will not regret it. I will just show you where they are on the shelf. They are right here.
Perfect. I will take 3 of them now and put them in my shopping cart. They are in very nice packaging, by the way. The design is very clean and attractive.
Thank you. Our design team worked very hard on that. We wanted the outside to look as good as the product inside.
Well, you have a fantastic new product and a fantastic employee to promote it. You have been so friendly, helpful, and informative.
It has been my absolute pleasure. I really enjoy talking to customers about our food. It is the best part of my job.
Thank you again for the sample and for all the wonderful ideas. I am very happy with my new discovery.
I am so glad. I hope you and your family really enjoy the dip. Have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy your shopping.